Hi, this is the Vacuum and Sewing Doctor, and today we're going to talk about the Hoover self-propelled vacuum cleaner, and we have them on sale for $169. Cameraman, take a note of that. $169. Okay, we're going to talk about maintenance on the Hoover self-propelled. So, here we go. On the Hoover self-propelled, there's normally 4 screws that hold the lid on. To save time on the commercial here, I put 1 screw just to show you. This is a new machine right here that I'm looking at. Now on the Hoover self-propelled, you got 2 belts here. You got a regular rubber belt and you got what they call a V belt. So if you're on the phone calling me, and you want the V belt, it looks like a cloth belt and the official name is a V belt. Now on the V belt themselves, take this off here, they never actually wear. They don't stretch. What they do is in the sides of the belt, the width of the belt wears down. This is where I get the biggest problem. Get engineers in here all the time saying the belt's not stretched. No, you're right, engineers. The belt is not stretched. What happens is they wear on the side, so the vacuum, when you turn it on, the roller brush will slip. So the smartest thing is to do, if you're buying belts from me, replace both of them at the same time. So on the Hoover V belt here, what you do is you slide the roller in like that. Make sure the roller locks all the way in. And then on the rubber belt, there's a little spindle down here. I don't know if we can see that right there. I'll use this as a pointer right here, but there's a little spindle there. That's actually the motor. So what you do is you put the belt over that, stretch the belt over this large black wheel right here. So the belt will look just like this. You got a rubber belt here and your V belt is over here there. Everybody will always say, hey, you sold me the wrong belt because this is sloppy. Well, this is the way it's supposed to be. As soon as you release the handle release here, there's a little tire inside there. What it does is it puts pressure against the belt there, and then that secures it and makes it tighter, which the roller brush will spin. So now that we've done that, we're going to put this bottom plate back on. To save time on the commercial here, I'm just going to put 1 screw in to hold it. But there's 4 screws to get into the chamber here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you're checking this vacuum cleaner after you put the belts on, you want to make sure there's no clog right here because this is where your suction is created. If you're having any problems with issues on suction, on this particular model here, always make sure you keep the bag in here changed. So this bag here is what they call a Hoover Y bag. It's for the Windtunnel self-propelled. Now down at the bottom here, there's a filter in here. This is a cleanable filter. Wash this out, dry it very well, then put it back. Don't leave it wet. Dry it out good. Now after that, you're going to put your bag in. The bag's just push like that, and this is what they call a Hoover Y bag. And yes, we do sell them. Put the lid back on like that, and the other thing you want to check on this machine here is most of them will have a side filter. So yes, this is a washable filter right here, so you clean this filter here. Now, if for any reason you plug in the vacuum cleaner and the roller's not spinning, always pull the handle down. When you pull the handle down, a little idler pulley will push tension against the belt, which will make the roller spin. Also, if this particular vacuum cleaner, the roller is not spinning, this knob right here, always make sure that it's on carpet. So that way the idler pulley inside there pushes against the V-belt. And again, these are on sale for $169. And if you need any parts for the machines here, come on down. We're done.